Hey everybody, on this video we have a 2012 Ford Focus lock, and we're going to use the HU101 Lishi to pick and decode it. And this lock came from the junkyard without a key, so I've already made a key for it, and the key is right here. And if you want to see this key being cut on the Condor Dolphin 2 that recently came out, I'll link that in the top right corner, and I'll put it at the end of the video too, so if you want to check out that key machine, the video will be there. The key works good here. Now, as far as picking this, a lot of people don't like this leash. They find it hard. I don't think it's too hard. It's kind of medium, kind of heavier tension. If something binds but won't pick, you just back the tension off a hair, and then you're able to usually get it to pick. So see if any of that comes up while we're picking it now. Zoom in here so you guys can hopefully see it. We're in focus. Alright, so this has all 10 positions in the door lock here. So first thing we'll do is figure out where the wafers actually are. So we got spring on 1, spring on 2, going down, which means 3 and 4 will be going up, 5 and 6 will be going down. It'll just rotate, throughout the whole lock, every 2 positions like that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply medium to heavy tension. I'm going to look for binders. So nothing on 1 or 2. 5. Okay, 6 is binding. Little click on 6. Okay, 9's binding. Click on 9. And nothing on 10. 1 or 2. Okay, so now we'll check the other side here. So we go to 3. Okay, 3 is springy. 4 is springy. 7 springy. Okay, and 8's actually binding, so we'll go pick 8. Click on 8, and you got some rotation on it too. 8's actually binding again here. Okay, nice click on 8, and does appear to be set this time. 7's actually binding. Back off tension a hair, nice click on 7, and got some more rotation on it. Back and check number 3. Okay, 3 is binding. Okay, a little click on 3, got some more rotation. Okay, 4 is springy, so we'll head back to the other side here. And 1 is actually binding. Okay, and back off tension just a hair here. Okay, click on 1. 2 is binding. Back off tension just a hair. Click on 2. Okay, 1's binding again. Okay, click on 1. Now 1 does appear to be set. It is pretty normal in these locks to have to pick them multiple times. Or pick some positions multiple times anyway. Okay, now 10 is actually binding now. Click on 10. Okay, so 9 feels set, 6, 5. Okay, 1's binding again. Click on 1, and now the lock is actually picked. So let me just take it out of the vise here and roll it out. Well, actually, can we see it here to decode it? Yeah, let me just take it out of the vise here. And then we'll be able to actually read it, or just maybe just rotate it in the vise. Yeah, these locks are too fat to use the Lishi vise this direction. Alright, so I think I just have to do it this way. Alright, so now we're going to decode the exact same way that we picked it. In the same direction, I mean. So we'll start with number 1. And 1 is going to be a 2. 2 is a 4. 3 is a 4. Okay, 4 is a 5. And notice we never had to pick 4. And we got 5, which we never had to pick either. So that's going to be a 5 as well. Okay, 6 is a 3. Okay, 7 is a 1. Okay, then 8 is going to be a 3, and 9 is a 2, and 10 is a 2. So that gives us 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2 is the bidding that we get. And it does come back with a valid key code of 11067. So I've got all that written down right here from making the key. And then I was able to put that 11067 into the Condor Dolphin 2 to actually code cut the key, which like I said, you can check out that video. It should be floating on the screen and also the top right there. And so that's pretty much it for this video. It's a 2012 Ford Focus lock, picked and decoded. And questions or comments, put them in the comments. And got a Lishi playlist here too you can check out. And also don't forget to subscribe and maybe share the video with anybody that you might think that this might be helpful for. And I guess that's all we got for now. We'll talk to everybody later.